Here from Futura Energy, and Jesse's here again, and also Johnny. Say hi, guys.
Hi. So we're doing some Pokemon and yokai stuff.
Yeah, I got new yokai again. We have 6
And
in total.
I got this today, right here.
Yeah, he got that big pack right there. It's
60 cards.
60 cards.
I just opened this, so...
But he didn't peek in it.
Nope, nothing.
Just so we could open it easily in the video.
And one thing I wanted to show them is this big card.
Yeah. Almost, it's bigger than my hand, the size of my hand.
Awesome.
It's probably like 4 grown-up hands. So, we're going to get started. This is our Pokemon caps
And stuff.
This is Jesse's watch. This is my cap, the one with the teddy bear. Done. And this is Jesse's cap, the old one.
And then
here's my yokai watch key, dog tags from the last time. Is Knuckle and Whisper. So, let's get started. Okay, Jesse's
my gosh. Oh, guys.
Oh, God, that is big.
That's a lot. So we've got something here.
Yeah. Stickers of boo-boos. Yo.
A bunch of Pokemon stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Card. First card.
First card, Jesse got it. It's in the front cover.
Yep.
Let me see.
Front cover.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
There it is.
And these are Jesse's old cards, which is Splungy or something like that. This guy.
Okay, I've opened
Splungy. Yeah, Splungy. And this guy, I don't even know what Magikarp, yeah.
Okay, I'm going first.
Oh, jeez, that's a lot of Pokemon
60 cards.
60.
Boom.
What is this?
Boom.
It is. Those are elemental cards.
Elemental cards.
Oh,
4 elemental
there's
cards.
the first card.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I got a trainer. Look at this. Trainer. Second card. Second card. Fire. Oh.
Fire elemental. Wait, no, that might be Earth. I don't know.
That one's awesome.
De-evolved.
It's a little
Tiny guy.
What is this? What is this?
Come on, Lucy.
It looks like an alien monster guy. Oh, jeez.
Oh, I got a gym bag.
The trainers.
Gym bags.
Woo. Yes.
Awesome.
Step closer to being a Pokemon master.
And this video might be a few minutes long, so let's see you guys.
Here, you take half.
Well, it's not even so. Here's another energy card right here.
Another energy card. Oh, I got another one.
Can you give that one to me, Jesse?
Yeah, I got doubles.
And I got another. I think we got another one of these. So
no, that's a different one.
that's a different one. Oh, we got the Deering.
Yes. Look, this is a starter Pokemon.
Starter.
We
We got another one.
Let me see.
Look at
Oh,
it.
that's the evolved
that's
version of
the
the other guy.
Oh, I
Is
got
that
another
Lucario?
one.
Oh,
Got
no, that's
another
not
one.
Lucario.
Energy.
Got another one.
Yeah.
That's yours now.
There's another one right here that's really cool.
We got another one. There we go. Another Pokemon trainer.
Another Pokemon.
Oh, the final evolved form. Final evolved form.
All 3 evolutions of. Where is
Snivy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Snivy.
Yep, all 3 evolutions of Snivy.
And there's another
Oh, we got another
There's another-
turtle.
Multiple Snivies.
There's another Snivy right here.
I got another trainer.
Hey, that's from XY.
Yeah.
And this one's a different one. Oh, we got a double of this one. I showed it.
We got
Energy. Red energy card.
yes, Ash's Pokemon.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Another
Oh, I got a trainer.
Halucha. Oh, her. Yeah, I've seen her in
And then
TV shows.
we
And I got another one of this. I got another one.
Halucha.
Look.
Ash has this one too.
Ash has this one too.
Yeah. Halucha.
And I
well-
think this is Ash's, I guess.
We got another
Look.
one.
Wait, I have one of those. This is the
This-
different
look.
card.
And then we have this one.
And this one. I got trainer again. This guy. Can I have this one? Draw 3 cards. Oh man. And we got another of this.
We got
No, no,
another
no, no, no.
trainer.
That's the
We got
second one.
another one.
Look, Joe.
Yes.
Energy.
Another
Trainer.
Snivy.
We got a trainer right here.
Another one. We got another
Trainers.
Snivy.
Oh, we
Another
got an. It's kind of like Snivy, I guess. This.
It's the evolved version of Snivy.
We might get another evolved.
Oh, a trainer! I got
yeah,
this
we
card.
got this too.
Okay, I'm gonna keep this card.
Johnny. No way.
Yes, wait, that's the.
That's the voice.
Mega Evolution?
Yes.
Wait, let me see.
Yes.
No, it's just Lucario.
No, that's the
No, it's Lucario.
Really? It
It just says Lucario.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, here are the blue stickers Ultra, and we're gonna open Yokai Watch now. So clear up these
we have
cards. Clear up these cards. Clear
Wow.
up this
A lot of
card.
stuff.
Yokai,
Yokai, yokai, yokai.
Yokai Watch. Okay, so the first bag is number 1 Whisper, and we got another different one. We got a different one. Look at this. It's a green guy. And we got some tattoos. Oh, we got this one, the white pad. It's from Whisper, the ghost. And that bag number 2 from this episode, we got the checklist, that's for sure. The Charming stickers, which I got it. And I never got this fun tattoo.
What about the
And the tag is Whisper. He has a wink. He's like, rah. And the third bag
This last?
is Kama-san, which I'm gonna open. This is Chibanya. This is Whisper, and this is Kama-san, which is this guy, the tiger or lion, whatever he is. And the checklist again, and also this guy again that came in the dog tag, and also these guys. I have this guy right here.
I'm gonna be here while
Right here.
sorting out these cards, okay?
Okay,
I'll
so
be back in like 5 million years.
5 million years, and we would like to show this crazy stuff. Which this is my teddy bear cap. Look, you see the teddy bear? You see it? And it has my name right here. Diawamides May 20, and that's the date I got it. This is Jesse's cap. It's all dirty. Man, I don't even want to touch
Okay,
it.
for a while.
How long do you have?
Yeah,
You should see the one
you
I'm
can
wearing.
have two.
The one I'm wearing
One of
smells
these.
weird.
1 minute. Let me just.
This one's mine. I don't do Pokemon.
He doesn't do Pokemon, yeah.
This is mine.
I'm pretty sure this is gonna be mine, and also
No,
this.
that
We'll
one's
be back
actually
when this is sorted.
bird.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
This is running right now. Trust me, bro.
Dad.
Oh. Okay,
Trust me,
so
I've been
we don't have a
filming.
double of this.
yes,
one.
we do.
Let me check.
Yes, we do.
I don't think you do.
We have a double of this one.
Hey, Jesse, can I have some of your extras?
Sure.
Oh, can I have this extra? Oh, I mean this one right here.
Yeah. Those.
Can I have-
These are yours.
Can I have the other Finey and or Hippie or whatever?
Can I have
it
the
is?
trainer?
Yeah. Just
Let
right
him
now.
sort, Dial.
Let me just do my thing.
I'm gonna keep my cards in
So
Secret
Oh.
storage.
I will I'll keep sorting these out. If you want to help me. The one. I know we have two of
Okay,
these.
so we'll be back in probably an hour.
Yeah. We're back. So we
Yeah. our cards. It took 30 minutes, half an hour. And these are my cards. I would like to show them right here. Johnny, would you steer this?
One sec. We've got all 3 evolutionary states of Viney.
Yeah.
No,
Or Snivy, sorry.
Snivy.
And then we've got 2 evolutionary states of Lucario.
Now, like this one is very rare.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Hyrule?
what about my
Or
cards?
Hyrule?
You have some
Hyrule.
pretty rare ones too, like Snivy. We got.
I know, yeah, but just show my cards.
Okay.
Up next is my cards, which is Snivy. This guy right here. I got all the tokens. The trainer. An object. Right here, the Pokeballs. And this guy. Jesse has that one. He has a double. And also this guy who's at the beach.
Yeah, you should totally get a pack of these.
Also this one, which is Ash's Pokemon. Energy and energy. Red
Come on.
energy.
Question: Which episode or which series is Harlutra from? Black and White or XY?
XY.
I wasn't asking you, but yeah, it's XY.
I said that. Okay, so here's another one.
We know our Pokemon.
And the trainer right here from XY. This one, little rat. And
It's not a rat, it's a chinchilla.
Chinchilla, yeah. I don't even get how you say this. Those are my cards. And
You should show them your cards, Johnny.
And-
They're the same, it's just more of the same. Yeah, I got what was left, pretty much.
You
and
got some doubles that Carol didn't get to.
and so these are yokai medals. You get them at Target. They're 20%. I mean 70% off. And over here in our country, if you don't see them 70% off them, you're living in another country. And this is this one again. And we're gonna review all the stickers from Yokai, which is Charmy, Slippery, and also Whitepad. So all the stickers right here, the medals.
This took us a while just to get sorted out and stuff.
Yeah, it took a
only
while.
like 10 minutes.
It was long.
It was 10 minutes.
No, it wasn't.
It was longer than that.
Yes, it was. Johnny's just exaggerating, guys.
Except not.
And here are tattoos. So I might give some to Jesse, some to Johnny. So
Okay,
bye
so
guys.
Show my